Hello and welcome to LanLine Technologies. When powering on the phone, you're going to hold in the red button until the light comes on. Okay. Once it's on, you're going to want to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So you're going to go to Menu, go to WLAN. You're going to scroll down and make sure that the green tick is in the WLAN box, and then you're going to go to WLAN list. You're going to find your Wi-Fi name, and once you found your Wi-Fi name, you're going to type in the password. To get symbols, you're going to press 1 and keep clicking until you get the correct symbol. When typing in the password, you're going to press the hash key to change whether you want capital letters, lowercase letters, or numbers. And you'll see it changing right over there. Once you have finished that, you press the red button to go back, and you have to see the green Wi-Fi symbol.